Step into a fresh day at Topcast. Today, we're going to dive into actionable strategies for winning back your ex-girlfriend and reigniting the flame of love and connection. We'll delve into the intricacies of relationship dynamics and provide guidance for navigating the journey of reconciliation. So, let's get started. Reflect on the relationship. Begin by reflecting on the relationship and identifying areas where improvements can be made. Consider what led to the breakup and the role you played in it, acknowledging any mistakes or shortcomings. Give her space and time. Respect your ex-girlfriend's need for space and time to process the breakup and heal emotionally. Avoid pressuring her into reconciliation and allow her the freedom to come to her own decision in her own time. Communicate openly and honestly. Foster open and honest communication with your ex-girlfriend, expressing your feelings and intentions sincerely. Listen actively to her perspective and validate her emotions, creating a safe and supportive environment for dialogue. Apologize and take responsibility. Take responsibility for any mistakes or hurtful actions that contributed to the breakup and offer a sincere apology. Demonstrate genuine remorse and a willingness to make amends, showing your ex-girlfriend that you've learned from your past behavior. Show genuine interest and care. Demonstrate genuine interest and care for your ex-girlfriend's well-being, showing her that you value her as a person beyond the confines of the romantic relationship. Be attentive to her needs and feelings, and offer your support unconditionally. Focus on self-improvement. Invest in self-improvement and personal growth during this time apart, focusing on becoming the best version of yourself. Engage in activities that promote self-discovery, self-confidence, and self-awareness, demonstrating your commitment to positive change. Rekindle positive memories and moments. Rekindle positive memories and moments from your relationship by reminiscing about shared experiences and special times together. Focus on the happy moments and qualities that initially drew you to each other, reigniting feelings of love and affection. Create new and meaningful experiences. Create new and meaningful experiences together that foster connection and intimacy. Plan thoughtful and creative dates or activities that cater to your ex-girlfriend's interests and preferences, showing her that you're invested in building a future together. Address past issues and concerns. Address past issues and concerns that contributed to the breakup with honesty and transparency. Work together to identify and resolve any underlying conflicts or misunderstandings, laying a foundation of trust and understanding for the future. Be patient and persistent. Above all, be patient and persistent in your efforts to win back your ex-girlfriend's heart. Understand that reconciliation takes time and effort, and be willing to persevere through challenges and setbacks with resilience and determination. In conclusion, winning back your ex-girlfriend requires empathy, communication, and a genuine commitment to positive change. By reflecting on the relationship, giving her space and time, communicating openly and honestly, apologizing and taking responsibility, showing genuine interest and care, focusing on self-improvement, rekindling positive memories, creating new experiences, addressing past issues, and being patient and persistent, you can increase your chances of reconciliation and rebuilding a stronger, more fulfilling relationship. Let this video be a source of inspiration and guidance as you navigate the journey of winning back your ex-girlfriend's heart. Your presence is valued. Have a fantastic day.